Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the features. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the system navigation. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. Of course, currently we've got the 3 buttons navigation, and you can customize them here just by tapping on the settings icon. As you can see, you can simply reorder the back button and the recents, and you can decide whether you want to always show the navigation bar. So let's move to the gestures. All we have to do is to tap on this option. And as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for specific gestures. Of course, here we've got kind of a tutorial or tips of how to use the gestures. You can also customize them here. Just tap on the settings icon and you can change the back sensitivity option for the left edge and for the right edge. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be actually able to decide whether you need it to be higher or lower. So now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, from the left or from the right. It does not really matter. If you can see this arrow, simply release the finger and you will go back. If you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, so the section with previously opened apps, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center again, but this time elongate this feature and hold your finger somewhere here. Not feature, but gesture. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.